Hello guys, this is the unboxing of our iPad 9 Gen 2021. This is the selling from Amazon. Let's see. I'm just tearing it apart. Wow. Well, I've waited for this so long. Like really, they were not delivering it to me. There it is. We have this, the iPad. As you can see, the Apple logo. This side we have iPad. I think this is the bill. This is again Apple we have here. Let's read this. So this is a tablet manufactured April 2023. MRP this. Origin China. So they are not making it in India because I think in India they are making like iPhones only, not the tablets. So our variant is 64 GB variant, 9th generation Wi-Fi variant. It's clearly mentioned here, and of course you can see there is sealing at the downside and at this side also. So we have to cut the sealing. So and now we will open the seal. You can see it is here. I think we have to pull it. Pull the one side out. Let's keep the seal side. Let's keep this also that side. Now the seal number 2. Okay, so I think it's over. The seals we have. Now remove the seals. Now we're gonna see the A13 chipset iPad 9th generation. Here it is, guys. I'm keeping box aside, and here it is. Wow, nice packing. First, this is nicely covered. Yes, you can see the logo. But I will see what the accessories we get. So designed by Apple in California. Well, that is cool. California is, they never disappoint us. So we have a charger here. I hope it's a fast charging. I don't know, guys, if you can see, but it's so cool. And we have the lightning cable. Of course, this iPad does not come with C-type charging, so we have the lightning cable for this. And let me adjust my camera for a second. Yeah, thank you. So I think this is all we get here, and we have this. Let me see what they give us. I think this is an iPad manual, Apple Pencil and switching. Very few tips in it. And there we have some iPad about battery charging and stuff. And here is the classic stickers from Apple. And I still don't know why they give this. It's not necessary. So that's all we get, but this is all we get in this iPad. So let's keep this aside, and let's move on to the iPad. Okay, so I think I will, oh my, of course I ordered space gray, and this looks so cool. Like, guys, this really looks cool. I'm a fan of Apple, of course. And wow, I will keep this aside as well. Wait a second. Okay, it's gone. Fall down. So guys, here is this iPad. What a beautiful iPad this is. So impressed by the design, all metallic from back, and all glossy. It's new, of course. We have to put some, like, scratch resistant guard on it. Actually, I have ordered few things like the case and bag, little pouch for iPad, and also I've ordered, of course, I was not going for the Apple pencil because it was again like in this Amazon sale. It was about like for 8500. So I ordered an King one stylus for like 1900, and I think that is good. I hope I got in good price. And you can see there, these are the like points when we attach keyboard to this iPad, so we can work it like a computer. And head down, we have the speakers and the charging port. In this side we have just volume rockers, and upside we have power key. I think this is microphone, and this is 3.5 mm jack. Well, this is something good to hear. We have noise cancellation here, as you can see, and our little beautiful camera. Hello beauty, you're designed by Apple, man. You got more, you have more respect. So let's on this, and there is the logo, Apple logo. Guys, this finish is so clean. Like, Apple always make things better and better and better. Always, they do it always. So hello, and I got no clue which language was that. Yeah, this is Hindi. Namaste. Hello. Press home to open, and here we press the home. Okay. Oh, of course. Let's go for Chinese. Of course not. We'll go for English. We are in India. Silent language, and set up manually. Continue. Choose another Wi-Fi. So okay guys, I just do some settings and then we will come back. So okay guys, here we are. We have set up our ID, and you can see the interface to the starting. Beautiful clock, map, and at the down you can see, okay, here are everything that we thought of. Apple, classic Apple thing. And let's go to settings, and of course I have set up my own ID here. So now I have iPad 11 and Apple Watch SE, and let's go to general and about. So here are the specifications. Of course, 64 GB available, is like around 50 GB. So this is iPad, a great I think buy. I hope so. I was actually buying Samsung iPad, Samsung tablet, but at the last moment switched to this one just because it has a more lifetime, and maybe it will be more useful. But let's see what happens. So this was all about iPad 9th generation 2021, and I hope it works fine. I will be using it for my PhD, working well, and let's see what happens next. So okay, have a nice day. Bye bye. And yeah, please subscribe and like this video, because it will just take few seconds for you, but it will help me a lot. Thank you. Bye bye.